So, global namaste. We are living in the attention crisis where our minds are hijacked. Our time is stolen. Our focus is constantly under attack. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you have taken break from the digital consumption? We have become prison in our own phone devices. The first thing what we do, we just touch the phone in the morning and end our day with the phone screen. Our average time what we spend over the phone is 7 hours in a day. That means 100 days in a year out of 360 days. We are losing this 100 days in the digital consumption. This is become a habitual for us. We are habitual for this, whatever we have accepted this digital life. We are also allowing our time to lose in this era. Letting ourselves and putting ourselves in this digital world without knowing any consequence. We fast for our body with the physical health, for the physical health, for the diet and exercise. But what about our mind? Are we fasting for our mind? When was the last time? We ourselves withdraw completely from digital consumption. Today world is more connected than ever earlier. Yet people are still disconnected from their own life for the real conversation and for themselves and their own well-being. The question is no longer whether technology is good or bad. The real question is, are you in control using your own devices? Or you have hand over your control to the device? Today, I would like to invite you all, take a pause, take a step back to break free digital lifestyle, to reclaim your focus, your time, your own well-being. Through simple way, taking the digital detox and digital fasting. We can reset our mental well-being, reconnect with the real world, as well as take back control of our own life. It's time to take control. Why I started this movement? I come from a place where tradition and values are deeply matter. Family bonding is the first priority. And well-being is a society, is a moral responsibility. Finding balance in the life is my core principle. I am a woman known for my own transformation from small village to global platform. This journey was not easy. Village to global journey was not easy, especially age of 40. Moving from village, entering in the global aura. Despite of so many challenges, I could turn my vision in the reality because I was focused and I was well controlled with my mind. Transformation has no age. When I step into the global world, I realize dangerous pattern in the technology world. Technology was growing fast as well as technology was also changing human life. Human behavior. I noticed people were less connected with real life and getting connected with the virtual world. Dependency has increased on the screen. That's why I got somewhere alarm in my mind. We need to educate people. We need to educate them to adopt this technology healthier way. It should not be too late for the humanity saving on this earth. This realization let me create World Digital Detox Day. A moment, a mission, revolution for the well-being. This moment is teaching you use technology wisely. Instead of technology taking control on you, how you can utilize this technology in a healthier way. We need to reclaim our focus in this digital distracted world. Our need to prioritizing our mental own well-being and reducing this digital stress is very important. And most effective way is just taking step digital detox and digital fasting. This was just the idea behind establishing this day. From screen to reset our mind. Our focus has to regenerate again. Our control has to regain again. And the hidden dangers of this digital overload is which we are unaware, or maybe we are aware but we are just ignoring. Technology is not the problem. The way we are using is the problem. Do you know social media is designed to hook you on the platform? Likes, notification, endless scrolling. It releases dopamine, which is the similar chemical for the addiction. Our attention span has reduced just 8 minutes shorter than goldfish. 8 seconds. Shorter than goldfish. This screen is also disturbing our sleeping pattern, which is definitely blue light is designed to trigger your brain to keep awake. This excessive screen time is also leading anxiety, depression and loneliness. Children future is also in the dangerous, its development is also in dangerous because they are exposed to too much on this online platform, on the screen time. Their creativity, their skilling ability and their focus is completely destroyed. We fast for physical health. Now time has come to take a digital break through the digital fasting. This digital jungle pandemic, which is bringing the numerous digital opportunity, we are living in the new pandemic, which is called digital jungle pandemic. We all of us are stuck in the virtual world, disconnected from the real life. And you can see mental health as rising day by day, every day. This is because of the screen addiction or excess use of all these online platforms. This is definitely creating your physical and mental health crisis. Poor posture, constantly staring through the eyes on the screen, sleep is disorder. These are the very common problem in the society. But every problem brings new opportunity for the career. This crisis has created a new career path in the digital wellness, digital well-being. There are few career opportunity. Just like yoga and fitness trainers experts who are performing the health industry. First is digital wellness coach. These coaches are helping people to manage their screen time and develop the healthy digital habits. Breathing and anxiety coaches who will be able to allow you to take a proper breathing pattern when you are going through the crisis. Reducing your stress and anxiety, digital overload, and helping you to take a proper breathing. Social media anxiety counselors, they will be able to support when you are become the victim of cyberbullying, online pressure, digital addiction. Crisis intervention management coach, those who are struggling with the various screen types, addiction, anxiety, emotional distress due to excess exposed to the digital world. Similarly, digital sleep coaches who will be helping to fix your digital habits, sleeping habits which is disturbed due to blue lights. This is another area to take care of your own well-being. Mindful productivity trainers, they will teach you professionally how to balance your personal life, professional life and digital consumption life, which will again help you for the going for the healthier lifestyle. Posture and movement expert who will help you to educating you how to take proper posture while using your devices. Or simple exercise for removing fatigueness which is causes due to the excess use of the mobile or social media. Digital wellness is the future. This field is growing rapidly. Just as a fitness industry which has become the billions of dollar industry today. Digital wellness is the next step and it's a big opportunity. If anyone wants to enter in this industry, this is the perfect time for taking next step for the digital wellness experts. What is the digital detox and digital fasting? I am coming to the core point. Digital detox is about constantly taking the break, reducing your screen time to create a healthy digital habits. And digital fasting is, it involves completely disconnecting from digital drive, especially smartphone and social media. This is for the specific period when you are taking this. So this fasting will allowing you to create your digital ability, improving your health, mental health especially. And this fasting is just like a food fasting, how you take a food fasting. Similarly, digital fasting you have to take slowly and steadily, which will allow you to your mind to recharge. Slowly and steadily you have to take this step. It will recharge, regain, and it will also control your addictions. Specific benefits of this digital fastings are, or digital detox, both are helping you to improving your concentration. Your brain gets time to reset, reducing stress hormones, enhancing your sleep quality, and also it is strengthening your relationship because it's going in the real conversation more than the screen time. Digital fasting helps retain your brain, retrain, and again regain control over your addictions, which is, and this movement is a global movement. This movement is expanded in the over 70 countries. This is a global revolution. When World Digital Detox Day, which is a transformating movement for the well-being lifestyle. When this moment I started, many of them were doubting why we need digital detox, why we need digital fasting. But today, World Digital Detox Day is recognized more than 72 plus countries, celebrated and adopted, and millions of people are taking advantage of this movement, and they have become the part of this movement. They are actually able to transform their life just doing short and simple steps. This is a moment which is not just a day celebration, and we are not asking you to go away from the technology. This is a moment taking the break for your own digital habits and your own digital well-being, ensuring healthier and more balanced life. New generation who are suffering, new generation who will be getting more benefit out of this is a new generation. Just like a yoga day or global movement, which has yoga day, which is International Yoga Day, has become the global movement. The mission is our mission, this World Digital Detox Day, or this digital fasting and digital detox, which is become now today, is a global movement. And I'm again saying you, this is not just for the one day, this is our most mission, this is a moment which is building a new mindset for the future. We are willing to introduce this digital wellness education in the schools for the next generation to get educated. They should adopt the healthier screen habits. Encouraging corporate digital fasting for their own employment well-being. Pushing government for implementing this digital wellness in public health policies. The world where we control technology. Today, not other way around, technology should control us. This is why we are saying technology should serve us, not enslave us. Call to action for today's talk. In this digital jungle, you have to adopt this digital fasting today itself. Simple and steadily you can develop this habit. 1 hour rule. Fix just 1 hour rule. No screen for first and last hour a day. Another area where you should be definitely working is that is phone-free meal. When you are having dinner, lunch with friend, family, keep your phone away for a while. Then go slowly and steadily develop your habit and enter into 24 hours digital fasting. That is a complete full day you have to take the digital fasting in a week. 1 day just dedicated for your own well-being. And this 24 hours You don't have to touch phone at all. You don't have to talk to the world. That day is for you, for yourself, for your own well-being. Once you achieve this, then enter into deep digital detox fasting program, which is dedicated 1 week completely. This 1 week is a full break from digital consumption. That full week you can definitely work for the mindful activities, for your own well-being, for family well-being. Of course, you can have connection with your work, but then same time, declare to the world you are on the digital fasting. You know that my personal final thought, what I feel, the best moment in the life never ever happens on the screen. They happen in the real life. When you look up, take a deep breath and understand the true essence of your true life. Please keep in your mind, digital fasting is not rejection of the technology. It's about using healthier way, mindful way, always alert how many hours you are involved in this digital consumption. Future is in your hand. Let's take step towards to the more healthier and mindful life. In this digital jungle, we will be lost. If we feel ourselves, we are responsible for our own life. We are responsible for our society. Take this moral responsibility for the society and for your own life. And start your day with digital fasting. No matter hours, week, whatever you want to. But please come forward. Are you ready? Thank you.